welcome back to the channel, boys and girls. Here we are, we just completed another mission. And we are about to set sail. We are about to set sail and catch our North Midland Metra train. I can see some police, I can hear some police activity. But yeah, guys, oh wow, there's something going on. Anyways, we got this beautiful northerly wind, guys. But we're actually gonna try to head to the Peruvian embassy downtown Chicago. Northwestern medicine, guys. Got some immediate care. Alright, guys, yeah. So, I want to show you guys the North Glenview or North Glen Metro station. And we should be downtown Chicago about in about maybe like 25-30 minutes. We're not very too far north. We just got Glenview, and then I think Martin Grove, Edgebrook, maybe like 3 or 4 stations, 5 tops. Here's the train track, guys, as you guys can see there, right along the Carson North Shore Racquet Club, tennis, basketball, and fitness. There we go. So that's the train out. Okay. That traffic light is out there. So yeah, guys, welcome to Glenview North, or I think sometimes they call this the Glen. The Glen. So yeah, let's pull up here and parking machine. Yeah, the Glen of North Glenview. Lobby hours 5:30 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. So those are nice hours. Let's see if we can find the monitor here. Where? Oh, nope. There's a train. I can already see the lights now. Yeah. So yeah, guys, in about 2 minutes, actually, 1:37 is the train time, the official train time, but it looks like it may be just up the block. It might be on time or earlier. Yeah, guys, as you guys can see, it's a very, very, very overcast day. It has been like this for maybe 3 or 4 days now. And there is a very, very strong, pretty much like, there's a, what I would say like a 10 to 12 mile an hour northeasterly wind. There's the train, guys. So I guess hasta la ciao ciao, bye for now, over and out from the concrete jungles of Glenview, Illinois.